What is the meaning of low pressure and high pressure? Is basically around the psi. The low pressure injectors are in between 75 psi and 3000 psi. 3000 maximum 3500 psi. This is considered low pressure side, and the majority of those injectors are mechanical injectors. Those are mechanical injectors, the majority. Okay, high pressure. High pressure are considered in between 10,000 psi and more than 17 psi. More than 17,000 psi. Today we founded a fuel injection system with 25,000 psi. And the majority of those high pressure injectors are electronics. Okay, this is the fuel filter. This is the handle. You remember what is the name of that pump? This is the priming pump. It's located in the bracket where the fuel filter is bolted. In that bracket you have the priming pump, and on the side you have the bleeder in order to bleed the system to eliminate bubbles. Yes, this is the bleeder, correct. Over there you bleed the system and the fuel continue and enter exactly. Let me show to you. This is the fuel injection pump. This is the fuel injection pump. The filter, the fuel enter here. This is the fuel injection pump. In the other side, the fuel injection pump, the gear of the fuel injection pump is connected with the gear of the camshaft and the gear of the crankshaft. You remember? This is this is a mechanical fuel injection pump, but it's high pressure fuel injection pump. High pressure. And now we are going to start the engine. We are going to check the lubrication, and exactly, look at the engine running. Exactly. And right now we are going to continue running the engine. This is the engine running. If you see, this rocker arm is activated, compressing the injector and sending the fuel to the cylinder according with the timing position. The timing position is according with the loads on the camshaft. That's a nice design. Nice design. Yeah, this is the rocker arm. The other end of the rocker arm compress the injector. Look, compress the injector. Compress the injector directly over there. And the injector push the fuel at 3000 psi into the combustion chamber. In each cylinder you have the same situation. You have intake valves, exhaust valves, and rocker arm for injector. Intake valve, exhaust valve, and rocker arm for other injector. Okay, this is the injector. You can verify the condition of the hole with a needle. With a needle, you introduce the needle, and look at this area of this injector. Those small holes are produced for vapor lock. The vapor lock produces the erosion here in the nozzle of this injector. This is the consequence. When the fuel enter in the combustion chamber with excessive temperature, immediately the fuel become vapor and produce vapor lock and eroded the surface of the nozzle. This is the pattern when the injector is clean, and this is the properly operation, and this is the pressure. Check this injector in particular open at 1000, 2000, the red one, the red scale. The red scale is PSI, and the black one outside is bars. Okay, in this one is at 2000 psi. This injector open at 2000 psi. All right. And the pattern is in spray, lateral, exactly. You see, exactly. This is the procedure to check that nozzle. This is the typical engine with the injector pintle and with the glove plug. Look at the glove plug. The glove plug is used to preheat that area, to preheat the compartment on the head for the pre-combustion chamber. And this is the injector, and the protrusion is here, the pintle. And in this area, in this area is produced the explosion, and the explosion enter immediately in the main combustion chamber. This type of combustion chamber is considered a combustion or pre-combustion chamber, and is used in diesel engines with a low pressure injection system. Look, this is the hole where the pintle enter. In this moment the pintle is in. This is the pattern. This is the pattern. It's directly down. No? It's directly down. Correct. And normally that injector open at 2200 psi. This is the pattern. The injector spray directly down.